So what's up guys? So basically today I'm back with another video, and you can see here, today we are doing the extreme sour challenge. Like I have a few different sour products so I'll show you soon. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So if you're going to enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and comment down below if you want. And so basically now I'll show you what I have. So first up, I have a pretty basic lemon, like small lemons, but I could eat all of them if you want. So yeah, then I have a few warheads, my lemon, blue raspberry, and black cherry. See, black cherry, blue raspberry, and lemon. And lastly, no wait, we have one more warhead. It's a colossal sour. The orange flavor, if you can see, orange. Yeah, okay, so that's orange. And lastly, we have sour Skittles. I don't know, try these, but they're sour, so it counts. So I think we should start it off with the basic, obvious lemons. I'll just cut it up a bit, 1 second. Cut my hand. I don't feel like eating this already. How do you cut a lemon? Oh no, spilling it on me. Let me just do it down. I don't know if you guys can see this. How do you cut a lemon? Like, what? It already smells lemony. Yeah. Okay. 2 halves. I think I'll eat all 3 lemons. And the last one, I could eat the whole lemon, like, but I don't know, that's too hard. I think I cut myself. Okay, so I don't know if this will be too sour, but I'm pretty sure it was good. Okay. First bite done. Not that bad. Seed in it. Take that out. Okay. Be sure I finish this lemon. Finish both. I'm joking. Well. Okay. So 1/2 done. I do not like lemons. I've usually never used lemons actually. Why lemons even there? Lemonade, that's it. Or food, you know, when you put that. Yeah. So basically, next one. I hate lemon. Maybe I should try lime. I don't know if I have one, but yuck. So, guess there's 2 more lemons to go. Maybe I'll save that lemon last later on. Just cut this up. And then get this over with. Oh, I cut myself. It's fine. Cut it. Don't make fun of me. Yo, what is wrong with this? And basically, 2 lemons again. I think Toby wants one. What, Toby? You want one? Oh, I want to see his reaction. Wait, let's see. I'm going to think I should give Toby one. So let's see, Toby. Wait, just move these lemons out of the way. Oh wait, I was supposed to pour it. No. Okay. Toby. Come on. You're a savage. Come on. he has it in his mouth. He has it. What is he doing? Oh, he spit it out first thing. No, yes. I think he hates it because he's like, see? Okay, you don't like it, you just keep it there and finish it if you want. If he starts eating that, I will show you guys, but for now, let's get back into the challenge. So, yeah. So, we're back at the challenge. My hand is sticky. He's literally just looking at them and like, I think he doesn't like it. He's literally just hating on the lemon. Okay, so let me try my lemon. I think. Yuck. So another lemon down. So now remember we'll save this lemon for last. Or I could. What should I do? I'll find something to do with this lemon. So you just don't see me eating only lemons because that would be lame, I guess. So I think we should move on to the warheads. I think the one I hate the most is black cherry. Okay. But my favorite is blue raspberry because after all the sourness is gone, it's like so sweet. So I think I should shuffle. Oh, blue raspberry? Nah, that's too easy for me. Like it's my favorite, so I've already take it. Black cherry? I hate it. Guess I have to do it. You know what? Wait a minute. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, whoa, hold up. Eating multiple pieces with a short time period may cause a temporary irritation to sensitive tongues and mouths. I don't know if you can see that. It's backwards. Yeah. You know what? Should I put two in my mouth? Black cherry and lemon. I think I might put sour. But never like black cherry. I mean, if you guys like black cherry, then comment down below. Okay, guess I'll just get into it. Open this up. I don't want to. Oh wait, you have to open lemon too. Wait, let me just put this down. Oh, no, chill. Let's open it up. As you guys might be able to see, lemon, black cherry. On the count of three. I don't know if I'll have to spit it out, so I'll keep a lemon so I can spit in the lemon. Lemon, spit it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I don't want to. That. Oh my god, I hate that. So since I spit that out like a few seconds after I got it, I think I should move on to blue raspberry. Blue raspberry I'm fine with. You won't see much of a sour reaction from me. But I have to spit it out like later on so I can Skittles too. So yeah. Quickly open blue raspberry. 3, 2, 1. I like blue raspberry. I'm fine with it. So wait, I forgot. One more head left. And this is the one I hate the most. Colossal sour. Toby, where did you put the lemon? You eat it? Oh, sorry, can you sneeze? I think Toby just ate the lemon. It's not even there. What? Remember I put it down there? There? It's not there. That's cool. Okay, so now I think I'll move on to Colossal Sour. Oh, my hand is so sticky. Lemon, lemon. Okay, so it's broken. Why not just take half? Three, 2, 1. It's not sour. Other flips are sour. This one's not sour. It's weird. It's not sour. So it's better because we have to move on to sour Skittles. And this one, I love Skittles regularly. But sour Skittles, it's like the second I put it in my mouth, I just have to chew it down as well because I don't even like the sourness. Oh, snap. Oh, no. Okay, I can drop this one. Keep it there. Drop that too, okay. So right now we have 1 red, 1 green. I think we'll take 1 purple too. Like as you can see, they have like little, I don't know if you can see clearly in the camera, but it has like malic acid on it, which actually makes it sour. So yeah, let's go ahead and eat them. I'll eat more and more like gradually. So yeah, I hate purple. Okay. And the first time I tried it, it was sour for me, but now it's a bit less, but it's a bit sour too. Maybe since it's a little less sour, I have 4, 5, 6, and no, put 2 back, and instead, since I still have a Colossal Sour left, I think I'll mix it up. But Skittles is Skittles, so I mix it with this. Maybe I'll try 2 and this. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. My lips, like, I can feel the sourness on my lips. It's not good. Right. Okay, so since I don't know what to do with this, I think that should wrap it up for the video. Yeah. Oh no. I was just fixing the thing, like, thing. Yeah, so yeah, that should wrap it up for the video. If you are going to enjoy, if you enjoyed this video, actually, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Go comment, do all that stuff, just to, make my channel grow. And I would love to see channel growth. So yeah, I think that should wrap it up for the video. So thank you guys so much for watching and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.